Good afternoon, and welcome to Zabra Creations Workshop, also known as the Garage. Hey, what's everybody building today? Nothing yet? Me either. What I'm going to do today is not build anything. I'm going to do a project so that I can complete a project later. What I'm going to do is take a bunch of these cedar pickets I picked up the other day, and I'm going to run them through my planer. I got my planer set up, shop vac, so they can suck up all that cedar shavings. And you can kind of see the cedar is pretty rough. Cedar pickets. I'm going to run it through my planer, and we're going to make these nice and smooth and get them ready for my next project. All right. So hang on. We're going to fire this up. I'm going to show you what that looks like for a couple seconds because it gets really loud in here. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. So hang on. Ready? Like I said, I got the shop vac set up, hooked up, so I'll make a bigger mess than normal. I got my planer set. It's going to take maybe a 1/16 inch off at a time. You don't want to take too big of a bite off. It just doesn't work well. Got my safety glasses ready to go. Also, the mask, because I'm working with cedar, and we all know it's toxic. All right, I'm going to show you this for a couple seconds. We'll make a couple passes, and then I'm going to shut it down because it gets really loud in here. So here we go. Just like that. One pass on each side, and we went from this to this. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It's a cedar picket. $3. Gonna make some amazing projects out of this. Probably next week. Hey, thanks for joining me in the Zabra Creations Workshop, also known as the Garage. Tomorrow, probably next week, we're gonna build something. So come back, all right? Thanks for joining me.